Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to automate invoice generation using Google Apps Script. No coding expertise required. We'll take a simple Google Sheet with customer data, run a script, and automatically generate professional invoices in Google Docs or PDFs. You can even email them instantly. Step 1. Set up your Google Sheet. Include columns like invoice number, customer name, email, product, quantity, price, and total. Make sure each row represents one invoice. Step 2. Create a Google Docs template. Use placeholders like customer name, invoice number, and so on. This will be dynamically filled in by the script. Step 3. Click Extensions Apps Script in your Google Sheet. Paste the script that reads each row, replaces the placeholders, creates a new Google Doc or PDF, and optionally emails it. Let's run the script. And there you go. Invoices are created and stored in your Google Drive. You can set it to run manually, on Form Submit, or on a schedule. Pro tip: use triggers to schedule your script to run daily or weekly, totally hands-free. You can also add a button in the sheet to trigger invoice generation. And that's it. Automated invoice generation made easy using Google Apps Script. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more time-saving automation tips. Let me know in comments what are all the data that you are still maintaining in Excel manually, so I can help you to automate.